Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sunutech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python set. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is Python sets. So the Python sets are used to store the multiple values into a single variable. So we can use multiple types of sets that are, suppose that is duplicate sets. So the duplicate sets are not allowed. If I am writing the value that is A and again A, so this will not be printed. So only this single A value will be printed. So this is the duplicate set. So now another one is length set, which is used to note the length of the set. Suppose I am writing here A, B, C. So the length of this is 3. So this is known as the length set. So another one is type sets. Types regarding as I have written as A, 1 and 1.2. So these three are having the another types, that is A is the set, 1 is the number that is integer and 2 is the float type. So the another example is data type. So the data types are as I am writing here first 1, 2 and 3. So the values are A, 1 and 1.2. So these are the different types of data types that are used in data types sets. So this is how we can use the Python sets in the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python sets. So the first example is the simple Python set we are discussing. So here I am writing that my set is my variable and the values are A, B and C in the curly braces. So now to print this, I'll use the print function here. So this is been printed, that is the value of my set. So another example is of my set curly braces start and the value that is A, second is B, third is C and the next one is I'm writing again A and then the value that is B. So this is the duplicate sets example. So I've used the A duplicate types means twice. So it will not allow the duplicacy to be entered in the set. So you can see here the A here is single, as in the variables I have written the A twice. So this single A is been calculated but the second A is not here in the output. So this is known as the duplicate sets, which is not allowed in the Python set. So the another example is, first of all I am taking the my set variable. So I am taking the values here. Suppose my value is A, B. So I am using the print function. So I am using the example of to find the length of the variable. Suppose the length of my variable is 2 because I have taken two values, that is A and B. So the answer is 2. Length is that is 2. So the another example is I am taking a variable that is my set and then is equals to, then in curly braces start and then I am writing here the values of my set variable. Suppose my value name is A and the other one is B. So my set two variable and the variable value are 1 and 2. So now I am using the print function to use this types. So this is a type sets. So the type of my set is that is a set. So the second one is also a set, that is 1 and 2. So we can write here the print function and we can check out that the second variable is also a type, that is type mySet2 variable. So the answer is that is class set. So in this case we can see the types of the set. So the another example is of, suppose I am writing here my variable name, that is mySet, that is A and B, and another variable is mySet2 and the values are 1 and 2. Suppose I have done here inverted commas, so this is the false. So we will write the correct syntax, that is we will not use the double quotes into the numbers. So we will write here simple, that is mySet 1 and 2. So we will use a print function to know the data types. So the second is my type. So the answer is 1 and 2. So the another example is, that is set, and the value is I am taking here, that is A, and we'll use the print function to use the set. So we'll use set and we'll see the output, that is A. So in this way we can use the sets Python in the Python programming language. So these are the examples. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.